Hello friends, welcome to Chawla's Kitchen. Today is Chawla Kitchen's first anniversary. It has been 1 year. It has been a great success for us. Thank you so much to every one of you for giving us support and love. And today is my husband's birthday too. It's Vikram's birthday. So we are gonna celebrate both things together, and on this occasion I'm gonna make mocha chocolate icebox cake. This is one of the yummiest recipe you will have, and it's no bake cake. I'm not gonna bake it. It's just an icebox cake. So let's go through the ingredients and celebrate the success of Chawla's Kitchen, the anniversary of Chawla Kitchen, plus my husband's birthday. So let's get started and see the ingredients. So here we go with the ingredients. This is around 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, around 12 ounces of mascarpone cheese. So this package, this is around 8 ounces. I'll be using 1.5 package of this mascarpone cheese. So make sure to keep this on a room temperature whenever you are gonna start this. Around half cup of powdered sugar. This is an instant coffee. I have just warmed this in a 1/4 cup of water, and now it's ready to go into our mixture. 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. So I'm using this Hershey's cocoa and sweetened powder. Then I have this chocolate chip cookies. I'll be using around 24 ounces of this chocolate chip cookies. So we'll be making layer of this on a springform pan. Then I have some chocolate which I have grated. So I'll be just using this for decoration, for garnishing at the end. So let's get started. I have a big bowl over here, and now we need a beater also. So I'll be putting this heavy whipping cream. So here goes sugar, around half cup of sugar. Then I have some instant coffee. If you have espresso, you can use that. That's the best deal. Then here goes a mascarpone cheese. Here goes another half, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, unsweetened one. So I'm just gonna beat this until we get firm peaks. So I'll first start with the low speed, and then we are gonna increase the speed. So this I will continue for 1 minute on low speed, then we are gonna increase the speed to high, and we will do it for another 3 to 4 minutes until we get that firm peaks. So this is what we are looking for. So it should be like this. It took me around 3 minutes. So here in my springform pan, I'm just gonna layer this cookies flat on the bottom. So we are gonna make like 3 to 4 layers until we are on the top. So here we go. So now I'm gonna put this cream, our mocha mixture, on the top of this, and we are gonna spread this flat over here. Here goes my another layer of cookies. Here goes another layer of cream. So it depends upon your springform pan. I'm having the bigger one with the 9 inches, and this is wide enough. So I'll be making around 2 to 3 layers, around 3 layers. But if you have like 5 inches pan, you can make 5 layers. So just spread it well again. So here goes my 3rd layer. So this cake is easy to make because you don't have to bake it, and as this is ice cream cake, icebox cake, it's delicious too. So I am just covering all the sides, because more cookies you have, more crunchiness and flavor you will have. So I'm almost done here. I'm just gonna cover this with another layer of whipped cream, and we are done. Here is my last layer ready. So just spread it evenly. And now I am just gonna cover this with a cling film or whatever you call plastic wrap. And we are gonna freeze this for 4 to 5 hours or overnight. So I'm just gonna freeze this for 4 to 5 hours because I need to cut this cake at night at around 12 o'clock. So here it goes. So once it's ready, we are just gonna garnish this with the shaved chocolate. So I'm using Hershey's chocolate for that. Isn't it looking beautiful? So I'm just gonna wrap this and we are gonna put this in the freezer for 4 to 5 hours. So here is my beautiful looking cake ready. I have just took it from freezer like 30 minutes back and just put it in a normal temperature for 30 minutes, and now we are ready to take it out. So just and now we are gonna open it. So I'm just gonna spread this over. So see, it's ready. Look at this from the sides. Isn't it looking beautiful? So I'm just gonna pour some grated chocolate on the top. See, isn't it looking beautiful? So here, now I'm gonna call my husband because it's his birthday plus our 1 year anniversary of Chawla's Kitchen. So let's cut the cake with him. So here we go. I have my birthday boy here along with my 2.5-year kid.
This is never complete without this master chef of Chawla's Kitchen. Thank you guys for all your love and support. And here we go. Happy birthday, Chawla's Kitchen. 1 year. Aha! Is it good? Did Mama made good cake today?
Thank you, baby.
Very awesome.
Thank you so much, guys. Try out this recipe and give us wishes too. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.
Don't let it melt. Eat it right away.